Hello guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office. First you need to go to your antivirus here on the taskbar, click on it, then look for manage settings, then you turn these off. I've already turned them off. Make sure everything is off so that the installation process will begin. And on your browser you go and download your Office. I've already downloaded it, so you just follow everything that you see on the screen. Alright, you can minimize this. Now that it's open, you choose your Microsoft Office here, whether you want 2013, 16 or 19. I'll go for 19. Then on the update channel you select the insider, then here on utilities you check this box, Office reactivation task, then you uncheck this one, online KMS. We'll come back here after installing the main window here. Before installing, for a successful installation, make sure that your current Office that came with the window, it's fully uninstalled. So mine is uninstalled, but you can come here and uninstall the Office that came with the window, or force remove Office. Then now you can install. It will take a quite time. You just need to be patient. On the taskbar here it will be minimized, then you can click it to see how far it's installing. Now it has finished installing on the background. Now the next step, you come here on utilities, you check, remember, you check on this one, office reactivation task, and you uncheck this one, make sure it's untick. Then you click on this one, the office retail, and now it is activating the office. It takes a bit longer depending on your processor, computer, and hard drive, of course. If your hard drive is running slow, it's gonna take a bit longer. So you need to be patient here, wait for it till it completes the activation. Now it is completed. We're done with the first step of the activation. Now we activate the office. Then you can allow. And now it will fully activate your office. Then you all done with your office. You can minimize or close this. It's gonna activate. Then before restarting, you need to restart your computer. Then now you come back again here on your antivirus and you check all, make sure that everything is checked on. Then you can close it. You can close this one or just minimize it, it's not matter. Then make sure everything is closed, make sure you save everything, and you can check if it's activated or what. You can open anything here, let's say PowerPoint. It is fully activated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, please, and also subscribe. I'll do more videos about computers and softwares, how to install softwares and everything about computers. Thanks for watching. Now you can restart your PC.